Excel ribbon and their commands.
Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a feature in spreadsheet applications that allows you to apply specific formatting to cells such as colors, data bars, and icon sets. Select the data. Highlight cell rules greater than. I am writing here 100, greater than 100, the value is highlighted. Cancel. Then again less than 100, less than 100 value is highlighted. Between 100 and 500, between 100 and 500 values are highlighted. Again equal to, equal to 320. 320 values are highlighted. Duplicate values are highlighted. This one, top bottom rules. Top 10 items. Highest value 10 items are selected. Top 10%. Highest value 10% were selected. Bottom 10 item. Smallest value of 10 items. Smallest 10 items are selected. Above average. Above average values are selected. Below average values are selected. Data bars. Shown a colored data bar. On each of the value. Color scale. Apply a colored gradient to the value. This one, icon sets. Arrows are shown. showing some directional, then shapes, then indicators, then indicators flag, then indicators signal, just I am applying this directional to the data. It is applied. To cancel this conditional formatting, select the data, click on conditional formatting. The last one we can see the clear rules. Clear rules from selected cell. Okay, it is cancelled. Here given another data concerning a mark sheet. Select the mark, go to conditional formatting, greater than, greater than 90 or above, between 80 and 99, top 10 item, top 10 marks is shown. Similarly, bottom 10 marks is shown. Data bars, color scale, icon set, go to the indicators, select the data, again go to the icon set, then go to the file, then again go to the conditional formatting, icon set, go to the directional, cancel these rules, click on create rules from selected cells.